In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make app icons bigger on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and let's get started. So guys, basically, first off, you need to head over to Settings, and after that just scroll down a bit until you find Display and Brightness. Here we need to go all the way down until we find Display Zoom option, and that's where we can easily make icons and interface size bigger simply by switching it from default, which is installed right now, which is active right now, to the option which is called larger text. If we tap right here and then hit add done, it will show us this pop-up where we need to confirm it. When we tap right here, it will freeze our device for several seconds, and after that it will show you all the text, all the system menus, including app icons, much bigger. As you can see, all app icons is much bigger now. That makes it easier to read the text and to interact with the iPhone. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.